In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore files from iCloud. Whether you've accidentally deleted a file or you're simply looking to retrieve some data, understanding how to navigate iCloud's restoration process can save you loads of time and potential stress. Let's get started right away. First, you'll need to open iCloud.com in your preferred browser. Once you've done that, you'll be greeted with a login page. Here, you'll need to sign in using your Apple ID. This is the same ID that you use across your Apple devices, so it should be familiar. Make sure to enter your credentials carefully, as access to your iCloud account is essential for the file restoration process. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, be ready to enter the code sent to your devices to complete the sign-in process securely. Once you've successfully signed in, take a look at the interface in front of you. You'll notice a collection of application icons, commonly referred to as the app drawer, which is represented by a grid of 9 dots. You'll want to click on this icon to access more services that iCloud has to offer. The layout might be slightly different depending on your device or browser, but the app drawer should be prominently visible. With the app drawer opened, look for an option labeled Data Recovery. Click on Data Recovery to proceed. This is where the magic happens. This section of iCloud is specifically designed for retrieving various types of data, including files that might have been deleted recently. Next, you'll see an option to restore files. Clicking on this will present you with a list of files that are available for restoration. These are files that have been deleted but are still recoverable within a certain time frame, typically around 30 days. If you see the file or files you wish to retrieve, select them. The interface is designed to be straightforward, so follow any prompts you see. Each prompt will guide you through the process, asking for confirmation before proceeding to ensure you're restoring the right files. And just like that, you've successfully learned how to restore files from iCloud. It's a fairly simple process once you know your way around, but having this knowledge can be a lifesaver. Remember to keep a note of the retrieval timeframe for deleted files, so you can act promptly if you need to restore anything in the future. Whether it's a single document or a batch of photos, understanding how iCloud's file restoration works can help keep your data safe and accessible when you need it most. Thank you for watching, and feel free to leave any questions you have in the comments section below.